for you audiophiles out there, it's not 100% correct, but it's probably 80 to 90% correct if I had to guess, because I'm still using the number of blocks and the size of blocks that the calculator came up with. Okay. If you hit like button below if you like the video, but definitely subscribe, and hey, here's my build. So I used the website, I got the correct build, the correct blocks that I needed, and now I'm throwing that into an Excel spreadsheet because I want to convert from centimeters to inches. Plus, because I'm making this, half wood art also, I want to increase some of those links. I don't want to have just 4 or 5 links. I actually want to have 9 to 10 links. That way they're all different, and I think the end result will look more pleasing to the eye, and also give it a little bit more depth. So here's my Excel spreadsheet, just a screenshot of it real quick, and what I'm using to lay out my blocks on the piece of wood. Used reclaimed wood for this. The only pieces of wood that I bought brand new was the 1x2s, and I bought 2 sticks of those basically. So everything else was reclaimed wood that we had or that we had gotten off on another project. So whether you want to paint yours or stain it or whatever you want to do, if you can use reclaimed wood, you've got it laying around, hey, great. If you got to go buy new, do not buy pressure treated wood. Okay, you do not want those chemicals in your house. They're meant for outside. So buy just the plain pine or oak or whatever you're going to build it out of, but also be aware of the weight. Okay, so my board weighs 34 pounds, almost 34 pounds exactly. So I'm using a 50-pound anchor kit up on the wall in order to hang it. Okay. So just be aware of that, where you're going to put it at, how you're going to hang it on the wall. Make sure you're into studs when you put your lag screws in, stuff like that. But anyways, hope you like it. If you do, hit the like button below and definitely subscribe. Thanks for watching.